In this series lecture, we will work in Tele accounting software. Tele accounting software include complete video tutorials. We will work in all options of Tele accounting software according to actual accounting process. First of all, I would like to tell about the process of accounting, that which process includes in Tele. I will also sort out all the options in Microsoft Word. In Tele accounting software, we will work on these steps. How to create company in Tele accounting software, capital and bank account creation, customer account creation, vendors or supplier account creation, inventory or stock items creation, process of purchase, how to purchase product from supplier or vendor. First of all, we will make a purchase order, and then we will purchase receive inventory from our supplier. How to make the sale process in Tele? First of all, we will make a sale order, then we will proceed the sales in Tele accounting software. Instead of invoice, after sale order, we will work on sale. Sale is used instead of invoice. Also, we will work on employees list creation. We will create different employees allowances, basic pay, house rent, medical and conveyance allowances to the employees. Therefore, after then we will make payments to our employees. So first of all, we will know how to create company in Tele accounting software, or how to start Tele accounting software. Through escape button you can go back in Tele. First of all, we will click on Tele accounting software icon, make double click. In serial key you should give figure, then in the key option you should also give the serial number key. That must be equal serial number and the key must be equal. Suppose I have given 1 to 1 in serial, there should be 1 to 1 in the key option, 1 to 1. There is no need for email address because we are working in a trial version of Tele software. Enter, enter. So you can see here in accounts info, inventory info, accounting voucher, inventory voucher, but we cannot see the payroll info. Go to feature, accounting feature, with the down arrow key, the maintain payroll must be us. Enter, 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 enter. You can see, go back with the escape option. We have on the payroll info via feature, which is situated in the left down corner. First of all, we will work how to create company in Tele. In the left menu, you can see company info, company on CMP dash info. Click on company info. Select company, you can see select company, short company, create company, alter company, you can change the company name from alter. Split company, backup, restore. We will click on create company. Double click. Your company name, suppose Sudesh and Co. If your country is not available in the left menu, then make it none through arrow key. Enter. Accounts with inventory. In a trial version, you should never change the date in a trial version of Tele accounting, so it must be enter, enter. Suppose Pakistani rupees. enter पैसा, enter. No, make it escape. Click on escape button. We have created Sudesh and Co. Already we have won another company IPA, but we have opened Sudesh and Co. You can also change your company from here. Click on IPA. You can change, but we are going to work on Sudesh and Co.